Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how Squarespace handles their email marketing service. It works pretty well and I think it has some features that you're going to like. Okay, once you're logged into your Squarespace account, you're going to come over to Marketing and then to Email Campaign. As you can see, it gives you some statistics. And for this particular website, it shows me how many subscribers I have, and it shows me the results from my last email. I sent out over 2,000 messages, and 99% of them were delivered. So that's one important thing right here. Their software is very good for delivering most of the messages, staying out of the spam boxes and all that kind of stuff. So the deliverability is very good. And then here you can see on this particular email, I got a 40% open rate, which is pretty good, and a 4% click-through rate, which I'm working on trying to build more engagement, but that's a start. Okay, over on the left panel, you can see here that they have a place for you to create new campaigns. You can see your past drafts. You can see anything that you've scheduled to happen in the future, and you can see all the messages that you've sent, and you can see the automations. There are automations that you can run. So I'll just quickly go into that section. For example, they have an after purpose automation, and they have welcome automations, just pretty much all the standard automations that you would find in most email software. Now I'm going to show you how I send out my typical weekly email, and you'll see how easy it is. So first of all, I'm going to go to my recently sent. This last one was sent on June 18th. So I'm going to go to my most recently sent email. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come over to these three dots, and I'm going to say reuse template, because I don't need to start from scratch. This is a weekly newsletter. I want to keep using the same template. So this is going to be a blast, not based on any subscriber activity. Then all I have to do is customize the little opening message that I usually send out, and then I update the blog posts that I want people to see. In this case, I went from my depth of field article all the way up to mastering exposure. So when I reorder this, I want to make sure that I take these out and put in new ones. So I click manage, uncheck all the blog posts from before, because it only lets you put in so many blog posts. So I'm going to check all the most recent blog posts and hit select. So now you can see all the new blog posts have populated, and I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm going to come over to this. It's not Father's Day anymore. I gotta think of something to write about here. Okay, so now I've written a little message to ask my subscribers to fill out a survey to give me some information about what I should be doing next. And now my email is pretty much ready to go. I just need to check the email tab, because here it's going to ask me for my subject of my message. Now, whenever you pick a subject, the way to get a good open rate is to have something relating to your message, but something that's kind of open-ended. So I might go something like, could you please help me out? It's kind of open-ended and it's kind of related to what I'm going with here. And then for my preview text, I'll leave the news updates and I'll just update the dates. So I'll go from 6/19 till today. It's going to send to everyone, and it's going to come from me, and all that kind of stuff is pretty standard. If I wanted to, I could send a test to make sure that it works, but I send this every week or so, so it should look just fine. And then I'm going to click send to my recipients, and that's it. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and the templates that they have are, this one's been customized a little bit, but pretty simple and very nice looking in my opinion. I would suggest that you check out the link in the description and see if Squarespace might be right for you, as not only for hosting your website, but also for running your email list. Also, please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this next video.